Wealth management is one of the most respected careers in finance because it combines investment knowledge, financial planning, and relationship building into a single profession. At its core, a wealth manager helps individuals and families manage their money more effectively while working toward long-term financial goals. However, the role extends far beyond simple investment advice because clients often rely on wealth managers for major financial decisions throughout their lives. Success in this profession requires technical expertise, strategic thinking, and the ability to earn trust over many years. The first step toward becoming a wealth manager is building a strong educational foundation in subjects related to finance and business. Most professionals begin by studying finance, economics, accounting, or business administration to understand how financial systems operate. These disciplines provide essential knowledge about markets, investments, risk, and economic behavior. Without a solid understanding of these fundamentals, it becomes difficult to provide meaningful financial guidance to clients. Education creates the base upon which professional expertise is built. The next stage involves developing deep knowledge of investments because clients depend on wealth managers to help allocate capital effectively. Professionals must understand stocks, bonds, ETFs, mutual funds, real estate, and alternative investment opportunities. Each asset class behaves differently under changing economic conditions and requires careful analysis before recommendations are made. Understanding investments helps wealth managers balance growth opportunities with risk management strategies. This knowledge becomes a critical part of building client confidence. Financial planning is another essential component because investments alone do not solve every financial challenge. Clients often require guidance on retirement planning, tax efficiency, estate planning, insurance strategies, and long-term wealth preservation. A successful wealth manager must understand how all these pieces fit together within a broader financial plan. Looking only at portfolio performance ignores many factors that influence financial success. The ability to see the complete picture separates great advisors from average ones. Communication skills are equally important because financial expertise means little if it cannot be explained clearly. Many successful wealth managers are highly valued because they simplify complex concepts and make them understandable for clients. Financial decisions often involve uncertainty, emotions, and significant life consequences. Clients appreciate advisors who provide clarity during difficult situations and help them make informed choices. Clear communication strengthens trust and improves decision-making. Experience plays a major role in professional development because practical knowledge cannot be learned entirely from textbooks. Working with real clients, analyzing portfolios, managing risk, and navigating market fluctuations develops judgment over time. Every client situation presents unique challenges that improve problem-solving abilities and financial insight. Experience teaches professionals how to remain calm during uncertainty and confident during periods of market volatility. This practical wisdom becomes one of their most valuable assets. Wealth management is also fundamentally a relationship-driven business where trust serves as the foundation of long-term success. Clients share highly personal financial information and often depend on advisors during major life events. Building trust requires honesty, consistency, professionalism, and strong ethical standards. Relationships may take years to develop, but they can be damaged very quickly if trust is broken. This is why integrity remains one of the most important qualities in the profession. Continuous learning is essential because financial markets, regulations, technology, and investment products evolve constantly. Successful wealth managers regularly update their knowledge to remain effective in a changing environment. Many professionals pursue advanced certifications and professional credentials to strengthen expertise and credibility. Ongoing education demonstrates commitment to high standards and helps advisors provide better service to clients. The best professionals never assume they know everything. Another critical aspect of wealth management is understanding human behavior, because money decisions are often influenced by emotions. Fear, greed, uncertainty, and overconfidence can affect financial choices and create long-term consequences. Great wealth managers help clients remain disciplined during market downturns and avoid emotional decision-making. They focus not only on financial strategies, but also on guiding behavior during challenging periods. emotional intelligence often becomes just as valuable as technical knowledge. Ultimately, wealth management is a profession built on service, expertise, and trust, rather than simply predicting market movements. Clients hire wealth managers to help them make better financial decisions with confidence, clarity, and long-term direction. The most successful professionals combine financial knowledge, communication skills, relationship building, and continuous learning into a complete advisory approach. They understand that managing wealth is not only about numbers, but also about helping people achieve financial security and peace of mind. If you want more insights into finance careers, investing, and wealth-building strategies, explore more videos on Wealth Finance 61. Like the video, subscribe, and share your thoughts below.